This problem gives us a pretty ugly expression and asks us to isolate for p. The trick to this one is remembering how you handle fractions in an expression. So let's just pretend this said m equals 3/4 p. And if we wanted to solve for p, we need to divide by the 3/4. So to get rid of it, so we could have m then divided by 3/4. And you know, of course, that when you divide by a fraction, you actually flip it and multiply by that. And so that's the principle we're working with, that to divide by a fraction, you just flip it and multiply it to the other side. So really all we need to do is look for the expression when we're solving for p where this is reversed. So we know it's not going to be c or d. And do you see how A is just a rewriting of this? They didn't flip it. So A's out. So that leaves B. That's got to be the correct answer. Now, this one was fairly easy. They didn't do anything nasty in here. But when you see these, be careful. If, for example, let's say A was reversed, and then one of them might, like, say 1 minus R, or they'll do something really subtle in the expression. So if you've got 2 or more choices that look likely, you've got to go through and make sure that it's written the exact way that you need it to be. In other words, sometimes they'll give you something complicated and change something really subtle in there. So be looking for that. It doesn't apply in this case, but it will apply in other questions.